Hey, what's going on, guys? Raphael over here. Welcome to the channel. Today I'm gonna give you 5 tips that are gonna level up your photos. Tip number 1, lighting. Lighting is huge when it comes to photography. It's one of the pillars of photography. If you don't have the right light, your photo is gonna look dark. You're gonna miss details on your picture, and 3, it's not gonna look good. So there will be no point of you taking and investing that time if you not make sure you have enough light on your photo. That's why lighting is so important when it comes to photography. And you can say, Raphael, but I don't know lights, I don't know how to set them up, and I don't really have a studio, so what should I do? So it's very simple. You can always use natural light, okay? For us photographers, we always use natural light in our favor as well in order to make sure we capture the right picture, the right moment, and with the right exposure. So you can always get close to a window if you're in your home or you are in the restaurant, or if you're in your office. You can always get the natural light. All right, get close to a window, take the photo, and that will help you increase your quality. Tip number 2, composition. Composition is a huge topic, and it's all about putting all the pieces and organizing all those visual details and pieces into a scene, which is your photo that you're trying to capture. And it encompasses things like light, lines, shapes, forms, colors, frames, textures, movement, reflections, and even more. You could have also heard about the rule of thirds, which is a very basic rule when it comes to photography. If you don't know, let me know in the comments below and I can make a video going more deep into it, or you can Google it yourself. But what basically the rule of thirds is gonna help you decide where to place the subject in the frame. Tip number 3, angles. Let's say you went for a vacation to a lake and you're in front of a lake and you see everybody else shooting exactly from the same place. So what you need to do is take extra 5 seconds of your time and see what they're doing and what you can do differently, and do that. Go and do exactly the opposite thing of what regular people is doing, and shoot from one side, shoot from the other side. By doing this, you create a drastically different story and feeling on your pictures. And do you ever hear when someone say, oh, we went to exactly the same place and we took exactly the same picture, but your picture looked better than mine? Why is that? That's because you took the extra 5 seconds. You change the perspective of your picture by changing the angle. Tip number 4, shoot through something. This is something that we all professional photographers do on a daily basis, and it's gonna give a huge dynamic and creative weight to your pictures. Basically, dangle something in front of the lens. You can use your fingers, or you can use some playing cards or books if you're in the library, or if you're in the coffee shop, you can use the mug. Put an object in front of the lens and try to shoot the subject through whatever is blocking the lens. That will give your photo an amazing different perspective, and it's gonna make it look good for you. Tip number 5, exploring. The best way that you can learn about photography is to taking your camera out, going out there and taking some photos. Remember, that's the only way you can get better. The only way you can master something is by being consistent, and ask your friends for tips, what the picture looked like, what can you improve, and try new stuff. Think out of the box, try your way, try something else. Photography is about learning, creating something new, telling a story in a picture. So don't be afraid of that. Go out there and explore. Alright guys, as you can see, all these tips are very, very basic tips, but they will help you level up your photos, whether it's with your cell phone, whether it's with your Instax camera, DSLR, it doesn't matter. They will help you get better pictures, and I'm pretty sure you will get something out of this. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit the like button if you haven't already, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Motion.